Today's lesson is about counting in Ga. We like to learn how to count from 1 to 20 in Ga. Come with me as we take on this lesson. 1. Ekome. 1. Ekome. 2. Enyo. 2. Enyo. 3. Ete. 3. Ete. 4. Eje. 4. Eje. 5. Enumo. 5. Enumo. 6. Ikpa. 6. Ikpa. 7. Bawo. 7. Bawo. 8. Banyo. 8. Banyo. 9. Nehu. 9. Nehu. 10. Nyoma. 10. Nyoma. 11. Nyoma ke ekome. It simply translates as 10 and 1. And the same process or the same strategy is used to formulate the numbers from 11 to 20. So 11, nyoma ke ekome. 12, nyoma ke inyo. Simply translates 10 and 2. Nyoma ke inyo, 12. 13, nyoma ke ite. 13, nyoma ke ite. 14, nyoma ke ije. 14, nyoma ke ije. 15, nyoma ke inumo. 15, nyoma ke inumo. 16, nyoma ke ikpa. 16, nyoma ke ikpa. 17, nyoma ke ikpawo. 17, nyoma ke ikpawo. 18, nyoma ke ikpanyo. 18, nyoma ke ikpanyo. 19, nyoma ke nehu. 19, nyoma ke nehu. And then 20, nyoma inyo. 20, nyoma inyo, which simply translates 2 times 10. 10 times 2, nyoma inyo, 20. Thank you very much for joining me to learn how to count from 1 to 20 in Ga. Keep practicing and keep learning. Learning is fun, so let's have fun learning together. Thank you very much. Nyi wala don.